right, so we just got this. This is Somndeep, a smart sleep optimization system. Look it, check it out. All right, so here we are, smart sleep system. And I do believe this is the booklet here. This is the user's manual. You're going to need this, so don't lose it. Set that to the side. Let's flip this over and take a look at it. All right, here. Would you like to learn more about our products? Let's go ahead and pull this out. So I think that this could be the charging and, oh wow, look at this. All right, so we've got these little pads, all right? And apparently they go on here and, oh look, here they are, check them. 2 magnets. So these things must go on here, and then I think, I don't know what they do, but we're going to figure it out. We'll just set that over to the side. It does come with this very long USB-C to USB-A cord. I'll set it there. And then I don't know what this is. This is the power cord, okay? So this you're going to stick into here, and then that would go into a block and into your 110. But anyway, let's look at this. Oh, I see what it is. So you can put this on the wall using one of these. You see this? Hang on. And then this would be stuck on there, and then it would be stuck right on the wall. And then you could, monitor your sleep. So that's kind of how it works. Let me pop that off right now. I'll set it back in here. All right, now we just got to set it up and try it and see what we think. Which probably is going to require me reading some of this to see exactly how it works. What's that? Beats per minute. Oh, wow. It registers your heart rate, I guess. Huh, interesting. Right, so this is how it works, basically. You have to put the device just above you on whatever side of the bed you'd be sleeping. Left side, suitable for one person sleeping on the left side of the bed. Double, left side couples. All right, it tells you the distance that you can put it if you sleep in the center of a single bed. So it gives you like instructions on how to do it. You cannot put it on your nightstand. You have to have it on your on your bed. It does come with an app. So to download the app, you got to scan that, and it doesn't support 5G Wi-Fi networks. Oh, that's not good. Here's some frequently asked questions. Let's see what else we got. This is the basic setup on it. Tells you what everything is. Gives you some information there. Beats per minute. I don't know how it would pick up your heart rate. But yeah, we'll have to figure it all out.